This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Place chocks each side of the front wheels. Using the special anti-theft wheel bolts adapter where necessary, slacken each of the rear wheel bolts half a turn. Position the jack head under the reinforced jacking point on the base of the final drive unit and raise the vehicle until the wheels are clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with axle stands under the plastic jacking points under the door sills. Fully unscrew the bolts and remove the wheel. Lift out the luggage compartment floor panel. Lift out the storage tray on the right-hand side. Prise out the retaining clip and remove the side trim panel. Fold in the trim panel to access the shock absorber upper mounting. Position a jack underneath the trailing arm and raise the jack so that it is supporting the weight of the arm. This will prevent the arm dropping when the shock absorber is unscrewed. Slacken and remove the lower mounting bolt. Undo the two upper mounting nuts. Withdraw the shock absorber from the wheel arch and recover the gasket from the top mounting. Note that new nuts will be required. Locate the new gasket over the upper mounting studs and manoeuvre the shock absorber into position. Align the lower end of the shock absorber with the trailing arm. Ensure the mounting bush spacer thrust washer is facing towards the bolt. Insert the lower mounting bolt, but don't fully tighten it at this stage. Fit the new upper mounting nuts and tighten them to the specified torque. Refit the trim panels and the retaining clip. On the right-hand side, refit the storage tray. Refit the floor panel. Lower the trailing arm and remove the jack. Locate the wheel over the hub and align the mounting holes. Insert and lightly tighten the bolts. Remove the axle stands and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the wheel bolts to the specified torque. Now tighten the shock absorber lower mounting bolt to the specified torque. Don't forget to remove the wheel chocks.